I can't believe how good this looks. No, I'm gonna literally die in the first attempt. This can't be real, man. Okay. No, this looks awesome. This looks awesome. I can't believe it. What is gonna happen? Ah! What the fuck? Here, break the chain. Okay, the chain snaps. Go. Okay, escape. Ah. Okay. What if the game idea that you have in your head could go straight into Godot, even if your coding skills aren't exactly where you want them to be? That's what tools like Claude Code are making more realistic, especially now with Fable 5, the most powerful coding model right now. But even with that much power, when you're working inside Godot with AI, there's still one missing piece. The AI needs a better way to understand your project and how Godot actually works. That's where Fennara comes in. It's a plugin designed to give AI coding assistants the tools they need to work way better inside Godot. In this video, I'm taking a totally blank project and building a Polish 3D horror game set in a scary atmosphere inside an apartment with a flashlight, puzzles, quests, a timer, a red screen effect, and a full jumpscare scene with this monster. Let's see how far we can go with Godot, Claude Code, Fable 5 and Fennara. Let's get started. Okay, so here is Fennara's website. Click on Get Started to sign in, and then you're gonna be able to access the dashboard. Scroll down a little bit, copy this command, open up PowerShell, paste it in and click Enter. Click over here, select your project.godot file, then Next, and you will have to click on Install Fennara. Lastly, configure any of the available clients. So in this case, I'm gonna be using Claude that is already configured, but well, you will just need to click over here, it says connect. Then done. And now in my Godot project, if I make this tab a little bit bigger, I'm gonna find Fennara. Let's come back to the dashboard, click on copy key, or if you don't have one, you just click on create key, click on main menu, settings, and paste in your API key. Now I can open up Claude Code, select the new Fable 5 model. I'm gonna put it in max effort, and let's see how much it uses from my max 5x plan, specifically the 5-hour limit that, as you can see, is basically in 0 use. Here's the prompt I'm gonna be using. I'm also attaching the concept image and even a PDF with more instructions. Something else that you have to know is that I have downloaded some assets from the internet. So I have this apartment, I also have this kind of demon or whatever this guy is, and even some props. So let's see how Fennara with the new Claude model puts everything together. Okay, take a look at this. It's been almost 1 hour, 50k tokens spent, approaching weekly usage limit, but inside Godot, things are starting to take a very interesting shape. What? It's adding sound effects, but tons of them, and take a look at the number of scenes that it is creating and the number of scripts. Okay, this is massive. This is literally massive. Okay, indeed it's super expensive because okay, it's been like 1 hour working on, like on its own completely, and it spent something like 50% of the 5-hour limit. Remember that this model, okay, is literally twice as expensive as, for example, Claude Opus 4.8, literally twice as expensive. That is a lot, and Opus 4.8 is super expensive, but well, I start to feel that it could be very worth it. Okay, after almost 1 hour and a half, let's hit play and see what we have. Okay. 6 minutes. Okay. Okay, so find a way out before the time runs out. I can't believe how good this looks. I can't believe it. Find the breaker panel in the laundry room. Okay, okay, so let's go there. No, I'm gonna literally die in the first attempt. This can't be real, man. Okay. No, this looks awesome. This looks awesome. I can't believe it. What is gonna happen? Ah! What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, let's go again. So let's try it. I have to go to a laundry room, so let's try to see where this thing is. Laundry room. Where are you? It should be... Come on, man. Oh no. Not again, please. The jumpscare is so good. Come on. Okay, I can't believe it, okay? I had to come back to Claude and tell, okay, where is this panel? I can't find it. And as you can see, it's used 92% of the 5-hour limit. That is a lot. But well, really everything looks super awesome. Okay, so here we go again. Okay, so here's telling me the breaker panel is on a wall just outside the bedroom where you woke up. Okay, so I suppose it's this thing over here. Okay, flip the master breaker. Okay, E. Perfect. And now? Come on, man. Okay, let's go again. Let's flip this thing. And now I have hero the door code. Okay, the lights even flashed. Okay, hero the code down somewhere. Okay, so we have to find this code somewhere. I suppose in the notebook. So let's try to find it. Okay. Okay, here's the notebook, I believe. Yeah, take the notebook. Day 41, he hates the light. It's been of course, so you cannot take it from me. First half, 51. All those sound effects. First half, 51. Okay. The radio knows the rest. Okay, in the top left, I'm reading that. Okay, let's go over here. I can't believe this. Tune radio. 7373. Okay. 7373. Okay. Get out. What a fuck. What a fuck. The keypad glows besides the sealed door past the TV room. Past the TV room. Is this thing over here? Yeah. Use keypad. 5173. Unlocked. Okay. Objective complete. Enter the door code. Okay, I've already done it. Check the kitchen. I don't wanna do it. I don't wanna do it. Okay, what I have to do now? Okay. Check the kitchen. Door code. Check the kitchen. Yes, and what do I do now? Oh, but here's the kitchen actually. What the fuck? Oh no, this is not the kitchen. Break the chain and escape. The chain. Which chain? Oh, okay, here, break the chain. Still, you need something heavy. Okay, check the kitchen for something heavy. Something heavy. Maybe this? Okay, here, take the fire axe. Okay, let's go back over here. And here, break the chain. Okay, the chain snaps. Go. Okay, escape. Okay. Nah, I can't believe this. Okay, there are indeed some errors. Like it was telling me to break a chain over here and there is no chain here, or I don't see any chain. And also the door is like right here and I can't see it. And then it told me, okay, go to the kitchen and grab an axe, but there was no actual axe here. But super small issues, like I can't believe it. Literally the number of tokens that you spend with this model is like atrocious, literally. But everything that it created, I think it was worth the cost, really. So the solution was actually pretty simple because I had already set up everything. So I could just basically grab the door and the different objects such as the keypad and modify their scale, position, etc. Even the door itself had like the chain created with meshes, so I was just able to go inside of it and modify the size of them. Okay, so here we are again. Okay, so here let's flip this, take the notebook, now the radio, and I moved the things over here. And as you can see now, we do have the chain here. So use the keypad, same code, 5173, unlocked, that's cool. Break the chain, I can't, I need something here. Oh, okay, there it is, this guy over here. Let's go to the kitchen. And here we have the axe, as you can see, looks awesome. Let's take it. Now let's break the chain and escape. There it is, escape. Wow. Like it is amazing the fact that we have a scene 100% built, and if I want to modify the axe model, scale, rotation, whatever it is, I can literally do it. If I want to modify the door position, chain, whatever it is, I can do it. It's 100% customized. Take a look at everything that Fennara did to be able to create these, like dozens of scenes, even sound effects. I don't know, it is amazing. And well, just take a look at this. 98% of usage. And well, I think it's actually like justified. Just take a look at everything that Fennara and Claude did all together. It's just amazing. For example, here Fennara was taking screenshots of the different views that the apartment model had, okay, in order to understand how to position everything. What? And here it generated the audio using Python. Wow, so this is how it generated the sound effects. That's, I don't know, outstanding. So for example, here Fennara was trying to do something, I think create a script, but as you can see, there was an error. So it went ahead and well, basically corrected it. I think it was trying to create a scene actually, and now as you can see, as it returned true, basically that it was working fine, well, then that phase in specific was done. So that's something actually very interesting, because it can, let's say, auto-correct itself. Just so you understand what has happened, is that we used an MCP. This is basically a tool that gives coding assistants such as Codex or Claude Code in our case, way better tools to interact with Godot. This includes, for example, giving it the possibility of creating new nodes, new scenes, even access to some of the editor tools to import, build, debug. And these are things that Claude Code just on its own, even with Fable or with whatever model it is, cannot do just on its own. So literally, this is one of the best combos ever. You can try Fennara without a card in the free trial, that as you can see lasts for 14 days. And also Fennara has a built-in chat, but to use it, you must be part of the pro plan. Once again, the key thing here is that with this free trial, you get to try out the MCP. So this is all for today's video. Indeed, the result has been super amazing. So start using Fennara with the link down below. See you and bye bye.